Hey guys, welcome back to another As Seen by SB video where I let you know whether a product is worth it or not, in my opinion. And today I'm featuring this DBmethod, so stay tuned. Now I know you saw this thing in plenty of Facebook and Instagram ads, and just like me, you're probably wondering, is this thing worth it? So in this video, I'm going to give you the pros and the cons after I've used this for a week, but overall, I must say that I have not regretted my purchase. Alright, so normally I would start with the pros of a product, but this time I wanted to start with the cons, and then I'll let you know the pros, and let you know why the hype around this product is actually legit. Honestly, there really weren't many cons with this product, but there were definitely a few. I mean, for me, none that were actually deal breakers, but definitely a few that you want to keep in mind. The first con is this stabilizer here. Now, you see how it's wiggling a little bit? This is the thing that you hold on to when you dip down, and as you notice, when I'm dipping down, it kind of moves, and it moves regardless of how tight I have these screwed. I also wish that there was a way that you can change the resistance here, but not a big deal because you're able to alter your exercises, and if you change the position of your legs, you can also change the intensity level of your exercise. But again, not a big deal because this machine is actually meant for repetition and toning as opposed to heavyweight and bulking. Alright, so that's it with the cons, so I'll move on to the pros, and there's definitely more pros than there are cons. So the first thing is the setup of this machine. I mean, it was extremely easy. It literally took under 10 minutes. I'm not one that likes to read a bunch of instructions. I'd rather watch an instructional video, and they have one available on their YouTube page, and like I mentioned, very easy, under 10 minutes. I also like the fact that this does not take up a lot of space. It's lightweight. I mean, I move this around the living room. It also folds down if you need to move it out of the way. It folds down flat where you can roll it under a bed or a piece of furniture. Again, I also love the fact that it's just a very easy exercise. I mean, with the different exercises that they give you, I mean, you will start to feel the burn very quickly. I mean, you're not exerting a ton of energy, but 10 minutes, actually, I dare you to at least try to go 10 minutes straight doing this. Your thighs will be on fire. My thighs are on fire even doing this right now. So if you haven't already, I suggest that you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to do a follow-up video to this where I'm going to show you how you can work out your arms, your abs, your glutes, and your thighs all by using this DBmethod. So again, I just wanted to do a quick first impressions of what I thought about this DBmethod. Again, I love it. I think it has so much potential. So let me know in the comment section if you have this, if you're thinking about getting it, you know, what your thoughts are. Leave it down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. But again, as always, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing.